Hello, YouTube. I'm Vince White. I'm an employment attorney, and we are answering publicly posted questions from YouTube users, getting folks the answers they need from an employment attorney. We have a question from iMore, similar to iMac. And iMore, I want to tell you that someone told me not to answer your question because they said that your name reflected that you might be a member of the Moorish nation, which frankly, I have no problem with the Moorish nation, and my response was, unless you're saying they're not a human being, I don't see why I wouldn't answer this question. So, I don't care if you are or you aren't, and I have no idea. I'm just letting you know. Your username is triggering people, I guess. I don't know. It's not your problem, frankly. All right. iMore asked us, hey, Vince, I have a religious discrimination case with the New York State Division of Human Rights. Should I wait to see if I receive probable cause determination, then lawyer up, and withdraw the case and file a lawsuit against my employer? Okay. No. Just no. Okay, so there's a reason why you don't want to let your case go to a probable cause or no probable cause decision in the State Division of Human Rights if your intent is to go on to litigate. First off, it looks like you're waiting to hire an attorney. No, don't wait to hire an attorney. Get the attorney in there early. Let them add value, reduce risk from the start. It's important. If you get too far along, you're not even going to potentially be able to get an attorney, or you're going to have more difficulty obtaining counsel. I just had somebody lose their mind on me the other day because they wanted to hire us in a case that was 75% done. And I was just like, listen, my guy, there's not really enough time left for me to do what I need to do here, right? Like it's, he did some things. Some of them were good. Some of them weren't. And it doesn't make sense for you to hire us now when we can't undo some of those things, right? So I would tell you right off the bat, hire an attorney early. Now, the other reason why you don't want to go to a probable cause or no probable cause decision in the New York State Division of Human Rights is that you may not be able to get your case out. So if you get a probable cause decision and you go to them and say, hey, I want to pull my case out, there is no guarantee they will let you. Just to be clear, they may choose to keep your case. Be aware of that. The other thing you really need to be aware of is that if you receive a no probable cause decision in the State Division of Human Rights, it will extinguish your state law claims. You would still potentially have federal claims and be able to go to federal court, but ideally you don't want to proceed to federal court without also bringing your state and city claims along with your federal claims, right? You want to bring as many claims as you possibly can in your federal court action, and I suspect whatever attorney you may hire in the future would be saddened by losing those state law claims just because you decided to get a probable cause or no probable cause decision from the State Division of Human Rights that doesn't really have any value, right? It just says, hey, we're going to give you a hearing or we're not going to give you a hearing. That's what that determination essentially means. And so you saying, oh, I'm going to get it and then go on to litigate is just kind of, and I know you're asking the question. You're not saying you're going to do that, right? We're having the conversation because you're a smart person and you asked before you did. But my perspective, that strategy of getting the probable cause versus no probable cause determination and then going on to litigate is really just embracing some risk that you didn't have to embrace. What I would say we do instead, and I think I posted about this before, is you'll get the free discovery of the position statement and maybe a fact-finding conference, and then pull your case out of the State Division of Human Rights before it goes to determination. That is certainly something that we have done and which we think has value. So I would probably tell you, hire an attorney now, get free discovery, get out. But not out of here. We think you're swell. Like and subscribe. It helps me to help more people just like you.